This message has been transmitted to the request of the Dallas Police Department. An 8-year-old boy that goes by the name of Jake Cogan has gone missing. He was last seen walking through a pedestrian crossing with apparent bloodstains on his jacket and disappeared through thin air. The boy is about 4 feet tall, has blue eyes, has short brown hair and has a blood-stained green jacket that doesn't have any pictures on it. If you know any information about the boy, then please contact the authorities. If you find him, don't approach him in case he gets scared and runs off. Instead, call 911. Normal programming may resume now. This message has been transmitted by the request of the Dallas Police Department. 10 more people have gone missing with no trace being left behind. The police are doing the best they can to figure this situation out. If you know anything about these disappearances, please contact the authorities. Normal programming may resume now.
So guys, I don't know what to do. I was just wondering if you could give me some help because, I've been hearing weird noises outside and it's really scaring me. Wait, I'll try to see if I can, see if I can get the window. I'm sorry, I'm just really shaken up and it's really scary.
This message has been transmitted by the request of the U.S. government. Multiple disappearances have happened all over the USA, and we have also figured out the reason for these disappearances are not human. We advise you to stay indoors, lock your doors and windows, close your blinds, get a battery-powered radio, gather food and supplies, only use the telephone line in case of an emergency, and don't go out of your home until permitted. The government is doing the best we can to remove the threat. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hey Poolboy69, thanks for the $10. I'm going to go grab some water. I'll be back.
This message has been transmitted by the request of the U.S. government. We have figured out more of this anomaly. It comes straight from the realm of Lucifer himself. It doesn't have mercy for anyone and will kill them in the most brutal ways. If you hear this thing nearby, then it's over, nothing can be done. This thing can get through locked doors, so it's best to hide in the most sealed-off room in your house. Remember to bring a battery-powered radio and food and water. Stay tuned for more updates. This message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. The situation has gone out of control and we cannot do anything else but hide. This thing is too powerful and will go through anything. You must prepare for the
I may not have your address, but that doesn't matter, because any minute I will.